How to fix no service on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. The first fix is enable airplane mode. From the top right of your screen, scroll down and you will be led to your control center. Here, enable airplane mode for the time being for like 10 to 15 seconds and then disable airplane mode again and check if the signal returns. If not, you can try to restart your iPhone as a simple restart often fixes network glitches. Once restarted, see if your issue is fixed or not, and if not, then launch the settings application on your device and tap on cellular. Here, go ahead and firstly enable cellular data and then tap on cellular data options and make sure LTE or 5G or VoLTE is enabled. If not, then enable those. You can then go ahead and try to reinsert or check the SIM card as a loose or damaged SIM can cause no service. So you can simply power off your iPhone and then remove the SIM tray and then clean the SIM gently and then reinsert it properly. You can then turn the phone back on and see if your issue is fixed or not. If not, open settings again and tap on general and scroll down and you will see the option for transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on that and then tap on the reset option and then tap on reset network settings. Enter your passcode and reset network settings. This will remove Wi-Fi passwords but will not erase any data. In general, again, tap on software update and make sure your iPhone is updated to its latest version as carrier and signal bugs are often fixed in updates. See if your issue is fixed or not, and if not, then in general, again, tap on about. Here, wait for 30 seconds and if prompted, tap on the update option in order to update your carrier settings. And if nothing fixes the issue, then it might be because you are in a low signal area, so you can change your area and it might help you in fixing your issue. So, these were a few fixes on how you can fix no service on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.